In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your My Tasks in Asana. Organizing your tasks effectively can significantly boost your productivity and help you stay on top of your responsibilities. So let's dive into how you can streamline your workflow using Asana. First things first, to get started, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In to access your dashboard. For those of you who don't have an account yet, click on Get Started or try for free to create one. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, a central place that will help you keep track of all your tasks. Now, let's talk about using sections to organize your tasks. In the My Tasks feature, consider creating sections to categorize your tasks by priorities or themes. These sections can be immensely helpful. For example, you might have sections labeled as today, upcoming, and later, or you could categorize them based on projects or themes like content creation or team support. To create a section, look for the plus add section option. This small step can help in visually organizing your tasks, giving you a better grasp of what you need to tackle. Next up, don't forget to use due dates and times for your tasks. This feature helps ensure you can track deadlines easily. By clicking on a task and selecting the calendar icon, you can assign specific due dates and times. This way, none of your tasks slip through the cracks and you're always on top of deadlines. Prioritizing your task effectively is crucial too. In Asana, you can use flags or custom fields to prioritize tasks. This means labeling tasks with priority levels like high, medium, or low. This allows you to focus your energy on what's urgent and manage your time efficiently. Another handy feature in Asana is the ability to sort your tasks. Using the sort option, you can arrange tasks to see which ones need your attention first. This kind of sorting can be particularly beneficial when you have numerous tasks and need to cut through the noise to get to what's important. Speaking of importance, there's the Today section, which is ideal for tasks that require immediate attention. Make it a regular practice to move key tasks here each morning. By doing so, you ensure that you're always focusing on today's priorities, enhancing your daily productivity. Lastly, make it a point to mark tasks complete regularly. This habit not only helps to keep your task list clean and reduce clutter, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of checking off completed tasks and seeing your progress in action. Remember, Asana is a robust tool that can transform the way you manage tasks. By incorporating these simple yet effective strategies, you can create a more organized and efficient workspace. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.